Hi, it's the girl here. I was watching the BBC News and I just caught the tail end of it, so I had to quickly log on. And you can see the date there, last updated the 9th of July 2023. Well, I hate to say it, but the avian flu is on its way back. Funny that, isn't it? Summer comes back, so the birds are back and they've brought it back with them. There has been a farm that had avian flu. Its poultry had caught it. There has been 300 birds. There has been 300 birds lifted off the beaches in Stonehaven on the east coast. Now that's only a 2.5 hour drive for me. I know I'm going through it pretty fast, but you'll be able to check it out yourself there. It's on the Scottish Government site. Now that's 2.5 hours in a car, so it's not going to take a pigeon long either. Maybe at the stage that we're going to be restricted again, folks. What do you think? Can MD help me? Should I be starting to, I was going to let my birds out there, and I thought to myself, I can't. I'm feared. Because that's no far, and when you look at it on the map, it's a straight line for the east, diagonal. It goes from 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock in a diagonal line across the map. So it's a straight flight path for them. But it's everyone's views. If MD is on the east coast and he's on my channel, I know there is restrictions in place. Are you in a full lockdown? I really don't want this back. This really takes the fun out of our hobby. We can't enjoy our birds. I hope it's no. What's your views, folks?